Some criminals really should have checked the address first. Today, we're watching thieves pick the absolute worst stores to rob and pay for it instantly. This is Crime Cam USA. Early morning in Norco, 4 masked gunmen entered a supermarket expecting easy compliance. A quick shot from the owner changed everything, hitting one suspect and forcing a frantic escape. Their bold attempt ended with injuries, police intervention, and astronomical bail, showing that crime can backfire dramatically in mere moments. Watch the "just keep walking" strategy. Fail immediately as security blocks their exit. Forget action movies. The real thriller was at Cowper Street News Agency. Jean-Pierre Palmer faced a knife-wielding burglar head-on, defended himself, and chased the guy out. One blast of UR fog, and robbers can't see a thing, which means they can't steal a thing. These two masterminds couldn't pick a worse time, mid-heist, and the cops just stroll in. Red-handed for real?
Не промедол ключ.
Ну что теперь? Ну застрелишь. Что, боятся, что?
А промедол не. Ну ладно.
Fastest robbery talk ever. One demand, one no, and he mentally checked out immediately. Knife out, chili in the face. This is how legends are made. Ramyamuki and Thilipan threw everything at the robber, literally, from ladders to advertising signs, proving that spicy tactics are sometimes the best defense. Taganrog thief learned the hard way that cameras don't blink. Snatched the money, you then hit the panic button and returned it. Classic case of caught before you even leave. One moment, he's threatening with a gun. Next moment, he's facing a machete-wielding legend. Note to all criminals, some stores don't play around. Watching him strut out with a chainsaw like it's casual grocery shopping is hilarious. But the 30-minute return to the scene is pure irony. When daring meets poor judgment, arrests happen. And just like that, the grab-and-go plan was completely foiled. CCTV caught every fake fall, proving that insurance fraud isn't just illegal, it's embarrassingly amateur. Khan's 2 slip-and-trip claims were no match for modern surveillance and some good detective work. Huge respect to everyone who stepped in. Seriously well done. Especially the man in the red jacket. And his quick reaction got others to jump in and help. Bravo. That awkward moment when you walk in thinking you're slick, but leave empty-handed. And probably on CCTV. Better luck next time, maybe? Brazil's streets just taught this guy a harsh reality. Never assume the bystander is harmless. Undercover cops are always watching.
Tanto de dinheiro no chão.
Smash the building, target the ATM, make a scene, and walk away empty-handed. Sometimes the only thing they successfully withdraw is attention from the police.
Давайте, доставайте. Убей нахуй телефон, по-хорошему. По-хорошему надо переходить.
I tried the magic skirt trick. Employee didn't buy it. Watch the mini haul spill out item by item.
Да все, задираем, задираем.
Wow, talk about quick reflexes. This 19-year-old didn't hesitate for a second. Supermarket hero vibes activated, and the thief didn't stand a chance. Fog's fogging security stopped this crew's store robbery. Now they're the ones trapped. A firearm, a burrito, and zero patience. This robbery attempt proves some people take fast food way too literally. The cashier stayed calm, security was called, and the offender left with food, but not without leaving a trail of stupidity behind. The wildest part? He actually came back asking for the gun like, "Hey, can I get that back?" Sir, the moment passed. Badly. Or timing is everything in life. Unfortunately, he picked the exact moment when officers were nearby. Lesson delivered immediately and in person.
Leave it. Doesn't matter at all. Leave it. Do me a favor. Anything you see can. It's on. I'm on. You're on. 510. We need. You're on. King in? Okay. You're on. I'm on.
He stole the beer, but lost the battle with his jeans. Turns out the real security system was a weak waistband. This dog didn't hesitate, defending its owner from an armed man attempting a robbery. Shoplifter plan. Push cart out the door. Customer plan. Turn a bottle of Coke into a guided missile. Mission accomplished. PAX, a Belgian Malinois once used at Strangeways prison, shows how professional training can turn a highly intelligent dog into an extremely effective security partner. Security cameras captured the strange moment when the suspect smashed the door of a Pinjara fast food shop, then calmly reached through the broken glass to grab the shoe he left behind.
Smash jewelry! He's going out the main mall. Get on the ground!
Holy, oh my god.
So late at night in Franklin, Tennessee, suspects were smashing jewelry displays with a sledgehammer when officers rushed into the mall and turned the burglary into a full-scale chase. After the confrontation inside the business in Perez Zeledon, officers from the Fuerza Pública quickly located a man matching the description and placed him under arrest. Turns out, not every store is an easy target. Some come with consequences built in. If you enjoyed watching criminals pick the wrong place, hit like and subscribe to CrimeCam USA for more.